Struggling to add your bank account on Wise? You're not alone. Watch this and get it done in under 5 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to click, from your profile to connecting your bank via Plaid. Let's go step by step. All right, let's start. The first thing you want to do is log into your Wise account and click on your profile. That's usually in the top right corner, and it might be your name or just a little icon of a person. Just click that. Now, from that drop-down menu, look for the option that says Payment Methods and click on it. This is where Wise keeps everything related to how you send and receive money, so it's a good spot to get familiar with. Once you're on the Payment Methods page, you'll see a few different sections. What we need is the one labeled Connected Bank Accounts. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all your linked accounts will live once we're done. So now you're looking at your connected bank accounts, and right now it's probably empty. That's fine. You'll see a button or a link that says Connect Your Bank Account. Click on that one. Next up, Wise is going to ask you which country your bank account is in. Since you're connecting a US bank account, scroll down or find United States in the list and click on it. It's usually near the top, but if you don't see it right away, just look for the US flag or type it in if there's a search bar. Now you'll see a button that says Connect Bank Account again. Go ahead and click that. And here's the really important part. This is where the connection process actually begins. Wise is going to hand things over to a service called Plaid. Plaid is a secure middleman that lets you link your bank without sharing your login details with Wise directly. First, it'll ask for your phone number. Enter the number associated with your bank account and click Continue. You might get a text message with a code to verify it's really you, so keep your phone handy. After that, Plaid will show you a list of banks to choose from. Find your bank in the list and click on it. If you don't see it, there's usually a search bar where you can type the name. I've tested this with several major US banks, and they've all shown up. But if yours doesn't appear, you might need to use the manual option instead. Now, this is the step that feels a little nerve-wracking, but it's totally normal. Plaid will ask you to log into your bank account right there on the screen. Type in your online banking username and password. Don't worry, this is encrypted and secure. Plaid doesn't store your credentials, and Wise never sees them. It just uses them to verify that you own the account. Once you're logged in, Plaid might ask you to choose which account you want to connect, especially if you have both checking and savings. Pick the one you want to use with Wise. Then it'll ask you to confirm the connection. Click the button that says something like Connect or Continue. And that's it. You should see a success message, and your bank account will now show up under your connected bank accounts on Wise. From here, you can send money, receive transfers, or do whatever you need to do. You just linked your US bank account on Wise in just a few minutes. That whole process that looked confusing at first is now behind you. If this helped, give the video a like, and I'll see you in the next one.